When a paralegal awaiting secure matter files faces a pending approval as a court filing deadline approaches, technical nomenclature gives way to the urgent need for operational velocity and data security. Sylvia Sevilla at IT Pros Management articulates the core value of structured managed services. The right managed service mix turns IT from a pile of tickets into named ownership for access, security, recovery, vendors, and employee support. Bridging the gap between everyday employee productivity and baseline security controls requires a unified service model, encompassing omni-channel helpdesk support, proactive threat detection, firewall maintenance, and continuous identity governance. Managed Microsoft 365 administration and cloud file management eliminate permission sprawl, while routine data restore testing transforms passive backup protocols into verifiable business continuity safeguards. For regulated industries, embedding access reviews, audit log tracking, and vendor lifecycle management directly into daily technical operations creates predictable compliance evidence without introducing workflow friction. Mapping core software dependencies, auditing recurring support requests, and assigning explicit ownership across cloud, network, and communication assets enables leadership to eliminate operational bottlenecks and protect revenue-critical deadlines. Read the full article to optimize your managed IT service delivery and add this to your Spotify playlist.